So that's a little railroad there too, huh? Still there. I wonder. I guess that runs from Rogers, Negley, Pennsylvania, and then runs north into Columbiana, I think. That's interesting. So holiday morning, it's just fine. Seems like most people are already in church because they usually wake up late and turn into little demons trying to get to church on time. Oh man, I hope the roads are like this all day. This is sweet. 15 miles already. Wow. I am curious. I did it just with the car here. I forget how many years ago. I thought, wouldn't it be cool to turn this over like my kids and family? There's a house on the left that still has all those aluminum shades from way back when over the windows. I think that was genius to keep your house cool, especially if you didn't have AC. Oh, we got Crumbling Road. That needs to be fixed. Wow, and it's still, it's nice here. And we come up top of the hill here, we gotta make a turn the neck to the right, extreme angles to make a left. Wow, so far everything's good, and like I said, we're not going to come back this way. Wow. You know what? It's like a perfect morning. It's a little hazy, slightly hazy, cloudy, but you still got plenty of sun. So this Route 7 runs all the way to southern Ohio and all the way up the border along Pennsylvania. Probably to Ashtabula, I guess. So if you're following the higher river mostly,